Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, December 29. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of Ethereum here. Now we can see that Ethereum, we ended with X here at 44.93, which means that we are now within the wave Y to the downside. And within the wave Y, it subdivides into a zigzag. We got with A here as a 5 waves diagonal. We got with B here as a zigzag. And then now we are within with C, which should be in the form of another 5 waves. We are about to end this with 1 of C here, then 2 of C, and then should continue to go down. So all in all, what this means is that we're expecting for the downside in Ethereum, okay, as long as we don't break above 44.93 right here. Now let's take a look at zooming out a little bit to get an idea where we are. So here is the 4-hour chart without labels, right? We do have a full complete labels in all time frames in our site, and we currently have a promotion with the 14 days free trial for the new members, right? So the link is provided in the description of the video. So let's take a look here. This is the 4-hour chart. Now this X here that you see in the 1 hour is right here. Okay, this is the X, and now we are within the Y. Now if this is the X, so simply if you understand Elliott Wave, you will know if this is an X, this has got to be in the W, right? This has got to be in the W, and the W, as you know, is a 3 waves structure subdivision. So you can see from here, this is 1, 2, 3. So okay, we can label that as the internal of the W, right? So I think this one is looking like a expanded flat here. So you can label it like this, ABC, right? A, B, right? C, and so it's a double zigzag. As you know, WXY structure is a double zigzag. So what that means then is that we are looking for the Y leg, which will eventually break below here if that is a Y, right? So here is another ABC in the 1 hour chart. So let me put it here. This is your A, this is your B. Now we are looking for a C of Y to the downside. Potentially, when you see this type of structure, potentially it can go to 100% of the W. So if you measure the extension from this peak in November 10th to the low projected from here, you can get a target towards 3083 to the downside here, right? 3083 to the downside. Now so that will be in the idea. So yes, even though we are looking for the downside, right, in the shorter cycle, but if you look at the 4-hour structure, at least at this moment, this is not bearish. And why is that? Because the first leg is a clear 3 waves here. This is a clear 3 waves, and no bearish structure will start with the 3 waves in the beginning, right? 3 waves is a correction. So if it does another leg lower, then that is called a double correction. It's a complex correction. It's a correction that extends more, right? But the structure of it still implies that this is a bullish market because of the 3-way structure in the 4-hour from this peak here from the November 10th, right? Now if this is truly a bearish market, right, then it would have been a 5 ways down from the peak here from the all-time high. You should have something like this. You should have something like this with a very extended with 3 to 1.618 and then a 4 and a 5, right? If this is a bearish market, that's what it should be showing, but it is not. It is a 3 waves, and that 3 waves is also finished at the equal leg, right? No extension whatsoever on the third swing. You can see it finished at the perfect equal leg, more or less, right? So so what that means then is what that means is that we should be looking for support here. If we can really reach this double correction, double three right here, then this is the area where the bulls, the buyers will have another chance. If they do like trading Ethereum for investing or whatever, then this is the area here between 3083, and I know the 161.8 is very far away, 2000, but this is a big area because it's a big correction, right? It's a pretty decent correction. So the 100% to 161.8% is pretty big, but this is the area. And if you want, you can also show the 123.6% extension, right? The 123.6% extension is also a possibility here. So between 3082 to 2750, that's approximately where the buyers will have another chance. Okay, so that's the update for today, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day to you all.